Hello kids, how are you today? Today we are going to begin a new lesson of standard third. We are going to begin a new lesson of standard third, lesson number 2. And the name of the lesson is Beautiful Bond. What is the name of our lesson? It's Beautiful Bond. Beautiful means what? First read the spelling. Beautiful. 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 BOND. Bond. So what do you mean by beautiful? Beautiful means बहुत सुंदर. जो चीज बहुत सुंदर होती है, we say beautiful for that. Bond means bonding between two persons or more than that. जैसे हमारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, वन फ्रेंड है, टू फ्रेंड्स है, बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं. तो बॉन्डिंग मतलब हम सब लोग एक दूसरे के साथ कैसे रहते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज द bonding. So in our lesson you will going to learn that how animals used to have their bonding with each other. Animals जो हैं उनका bonding एक दूसरे के साथ कैसा होता है. We are going to learn this in our this lesson. Why? Because animals also need love. जैसे हम लोग हैं, हमारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, मम्मा है, उनसे हम लोग को क्या चाहिए होता है, लव चाहिए होता है. सेम इज विद द एनिमल्स ऑल्सो. दे ऑल्सो नीड लव एंड अफेक्शन फ्रॉम आवर साइड. दे ओनली वॉन्ट दिस थिंग. एनिमल्स को सिर्फ क्या चाहिए होता है, दैट वी शुड लव देम, वी शुड नॉट हेट देम, शुड नॉट थ्रो स्टोन्स ऑन देम. हम रोड पे कभी जाते हैं, वहां पे क्या देखते हैं, डॉग्स हैं, स्टेयर डॉग. स्टेयर डॉग मतलब स्ट्रीट डॉग, जिनका कोई देखने वाला नहीं होता है, जिसको कोई डॉग को, उसको तो हम क्या करते हैं, उसको स्टोन उठाते हैं, पत्थर, एंड वी यूज टू थ्रो ऑन इट. करते हैं ना ऐसा मोस्ट प्रोबेबली. बट वी शुड नॉट डू दैट. व्हाई? बिकॉज नो वन इज देयर टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम. उनका ध्यान रखने के लिए कोई भी नहीं होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी शुड जस्ट केयर फॉर देम. अगर हम उनको प्यार से बुला के वी आर गोइंग टू गिव वन चपाती, वन पीस ऑफ ब्रेड, एनीथिंग वी गिव देम टू ईट, दे विल फील हैप्पी. वो अपने आप ही खुश हो जाते हैं. नथिंग एल्स दे वांट. और उनको कुछ नहीं चाहिए होता है. यू मूव ऑन रोड, यू यूज टू सी दैट काउज आर ऑल्सो मूविंग. काउज हैं जिनको कोई टेक केयर करने वाला नहीं है, देन फ्यू ऑफ दैट काउज ऑल्सो मूव ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स. वैसी काउ भी सब जगह घूम रही होती है. सो व्हाट दे यूज टू कम टू आवर हाउस ऑल्सो. हमारे हाउस में आते हैं. बट what we used to do, sometimes we used to throw water on the cow. काउ पे पानी डालते हैं. why? To let her go away from there. हमारे हाउस से वो चली जाए. बट what we should do, always give one chapati to cow for eating. हमेशा एक रोटी काउ के लिए हमें रखना चाहिए, उसको खिलाने के लिए. Now that was just the general instructions. ये general चीजें हैं जो ma'am is telling to you that you should follow that thing. Never hit the animals unnecessarily. जब कोई भी reason नहीं हो तो हमें animals को कभी भी hit नहीं करना चाहिए. Coming back to our story, it is beautiful bond between the animals as well as the human being and the animal. Human being मतलब इंसान, जैसे we are. So here is a story of a boy whose name is Tom. So what we used to do, we are going to write the hard words together and we'll continue the lesson. So first one, this is a story about a boy whose name is Tom. Spelling of Tom, T-O-M, Tom. What Tom used to do? Tom was a little town boy. Say as we are living in Halwad, it's a small town. हलवद क्या है? एक स्मॉल टाउन है. सो टॉम वॉज अ लिटिल बॉय. टॉम एक छोटा सा बॉय था जो एक छोटे से टाउन में लिव करता था. देन व्हाट हैपेंड, ही यूज्ड टू गो टू स्कूल. वो स्कूल जाता था. देन ड्यूरिंग हिज हॉलीडेज, जब उसको हॉलीडेज पड़ा, देन ही वेंट टू हिज अंकल्स हाउस. Where did went he went? He went to his uncle's house to enjoy his holidays. As you used to do. जब holidays पड़ता है तो हम कहाँ जाते हैं? अंकल के हाउस में. और अंकल सेज, आपके फादर के स्मॉल ब्रदर हो, काका हैं आपके, आपके साथ नहीं रहते हैं, कहीं और रहते हैं. So we used to go there for vacation, or we used to go to most probably to Nana Nani's house or Mama's house for the vacation. Same over here, it was holiday in his school. Whose school? Tom's school. So he went to his uncle's house, and his uncle was having a big farm. What his uncle was having? A big farm. He used to keep lots of animals over there. He used to keep lots of animals over there. So what were the names of the animals that he used to keep? Cow, goat, hen, sheep. many more. Small chickens were there, dogs were there, so many lots of animals used to live over there. So what the uncle used to do, uncle used to take care of that animals. वो जितने animals रहते थे, uncle used to take care of them. When the Tom went over there for enjoying his vacation, he had a dog and a cat. Tom had never seen. He was having dog and cat. And what dog and cat used to do? That dog and cat used to guard that area. जिस एरिया में एनिमल्स रहते थे वहां पे कोई दूसरा एनिमल आके इफेक्ट ना कर दे. सो व्हाट डॉग यूज्ड टू डू, डॉग यूज्ड टू गार्ड द फार्म. डॉग जो है वो फार्म का ध्यान रखता था, टेक केयर करता था उसका, एज पर द सिक्योरिटी की अदर एनिमल वहां पे कोई नुकसान ना पहुंचा दे. नाउ व्हेन टॉम वेंट फ्रॉम अ टाउन टू अ विलेज, जब टॉम एक छोटे से टाउन से विलेज में गया, ही हैव नेवर सीन दीज काइंड्स ऑफ एनिमल्स टुगेदर. उसने कभी देखा ही नहीं था कि इतने सारे एनिमल्स एक साथ हैं. सो ही वाज सरप्राइज्ड, वो एकदम सरप्राइज हो गया. एंड आई टोल्ड यू व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सरप्राइज. सरप्राइज मीन्स अ सडन फीलिंग, एक ऐसा चीज अचानक से जो आपने कभी सोचा ही नहीं. सेम वाज विद हिम, टॉम के साथ भी सेम ही था. उसने तो ऐसा कभी देखा ही नहीं था, ये एकदम अचानक से हो गया. इट हैपेंड immediately that he was not even knowing. उसको पता ही नहीं था कि this so many animals can live together, इतने सारे animals साथ में रह सकते हैं. So what he thought कि how come animals can live there, इतने सारे animals कैसे साथ में रह सकते हैं, it is not possible. And he don't like, उसको ये सब पसंद नहीं आता था. Why? Because he have never seen, उसको क्यों ये सब अच्छा नहीं लगता था? Because he have never seen lots of animals living together. उसने इतने सारे animals कभी साथ में देखे ही नहीं थे. That's why he was not liking it. यही रीजन था कि उसको ये सब पसंद नहीं आ रहा था. So what he used to do, he used to throw the stones on the animals. क्या करता था? एनिमल्स के ऊपर stones मतलब छोटे छोटे पत्थर. He used to throw on the animals to make them go away from there, कि वो एनिमल्स उसके पास ना आए. As Tom went over there and he was also living with his uncle, so he used to move near the farm. जब वो अपने अंकल के साथ ही रह रहा था तो वो फार्म में भी घूमता था. And there all the animals were together, but he don't like the animals. उसको एनिमल्स बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थे. So what he used to do, he used to throw the stones. वो पत्थर फेंकता था, उनको परेशान करता था एनिमल्स को. Why? So that animals should not come to him. किस लिए वो ये सब कर रहा था? वो इसलिए करता था so that animals should not come to him. एनिमल्स उसके पास ना आए. Why he used to throw the stones? As I told you, अगर आप रोड पे किसी स्ट्रे डॉग पे पत्थर फेंकते हैं, स्ट्रे डॉग मतलब जंगली डॉग जिसको कोई देखने वाला नहीं होता. So what he used to do? Sometimes it used to get frightened, और वो अपने आप को बचाने के लिए it used to bark. अपने आप को बचाने के लिए ही सिर्फ वो बार्क करता है, जिससे कि we should get scared and move away from there. Why dog used to do this? Because he himself get frightened. वो खुद भी डर जाता है. Why? Because you are throwing stones on it. Same was happening in our story with the Tom. Tom used to throw the stones on the animals. Why he was throwing? To make the animals frightened. Animals को डराने के लिए कि animals डर जाएं and they can move away from Tom. वो Tom के पास ना आए और Tom से दूर चले जाए. That's what Tom was doing with his hand. Then after that, what he used to do? He used to took a stick in his hand. एक लकड़ी अपने हाथ में उठा लेता था. And what he used to do? He used to hit the animals with that stick. Let me show you the stick. I'll show you. Say for an example, this is a stick. What is this? This is a stick. As he was throwing the stones, say as ma'am is having chalk in my hand, so what he used to throw the stones on the animals, so make the animals frightened. Animals उससे डर जाए. And after that, what he used to do? He used to hold a stick like this. वो ऐसे स्टिक पकड़ता था. And what he used to do? He used to hit the animals. मतलब ऐसे करके उनको डराता था, so that animals could go away from him. वो ये सब चीजें क्यों कर रहा था? Why he was doing all these things? Because he don't like the animals should come near him. Why he don't like? Because he have not seen in his life. उसने कभी ऐसा देखा ही नहीं था कि इतने सारे animals साथ में भी रह सकते हैं. Then whenever birds used to come near him, जब birds भी उसके पास आती थी, again he used to do the सेम थिंग, ही अगेन टुक अ स्टिक इन हिज हैंड, और जैसे बर्ड्स उसके ऊपर हेड के ऊपर आती थी, ही यूज्ड टू मूव द स्टिक लाइक दिस सो दैट बर्ड्स कैन गो अवे फ्रॉम देयर, बर्ड्स भी वहां से भाग जाए. इफ ही वॉज डूइंग लाइक दिस, अगर वो ऐसा सब कर रहा था, द एनिमल्स वर लाइकिंग हिम? No, not at all. If you are not going to like the animals, in return they will also not like you. They just want our love. उनको हमारा लव ही चाहिए होता है. अगर हम ही उनको लव नहीं करेंगे, so in return would they be loving us? No, not at all. They will not love us. They will also give the hatred to us. वो भी हमसे नफरत ही करेंगे. Hatred means नफरत करना. And same word there. Birds or animals both doesn't like टॉम. वो दोनों टॉम को पसंद बिल्कुल भी नहीं करते थे. बर्ड्स भी नहीं लाइक कर रहे थे, एनिमल्स भी नहीं लाइक कर रहे थे. व्हाई दे वर नॉट लाइकिंग टॉम? बिकॉज टॉम यूज्ड टू हिट देम. क्यों नहीं पसंद करते थे? क्योंकि टॉम उनको मारता था. दैट्स व्हाई. What they used to say? What a troublesome boy. What they all used to say? What a troublesome boy. Troublesome means परेशान करने वाला. The person who bothers you, you can say him as a troublesome. एक जो पर्सन किसी दूसरे को परेशान कर रहा होता है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? We call him troublesome. All the animals used to say Tom as a troublesome boy. Animals used to talk with each other, and what they used to say? They used to say that this boy Tom is very troublesome. Why? Because he was bothering all the animals in the farm में जितने भी एनिमल्स थे वो उनको परेशान करता था. दैट्स व्हाई all the animals used to talk with each other and they used to say what a troublesome boy. क्यों ऐसा बॉय है जो हम सबको इतना परेशान करता है. Now they said to one another, he always shouts at us and chases us away. He also throws stones at us. Why he behaves so cruelly to us? They were talking to each other. Animals are talking. So yes, cow is talking to sheep. Sheep is talking to geese. Geese is talking to dog. All came together and they started discussing with each other that why he used to do this thing. He shouts on us. वो चिल्लाता था उन पे. He threw stones on them. उनके ऊपर पत्थर फेंकता था. He took a stick in his hand and hit them with the sticks so that they can move away from there. While he is doing all these things, he used to shout on the animals very cruelly. बहुत ही गुस्से से animals के ऊपर shout करता था. So what they all were discussing कि why he used to do all these things. वो ये सब हमारे साथ क्यों कर रहा है? Does he hate us? क्या वो हमसे नफरत करता है? Why he is doing like this? Then what we should do? Shall we do the same and attack them? अब उसमें से काऊ ने क्या बोला? When they all were discussing with each other, animals are discussing with each other that if he is doing with us like that, shall we do the same? क्या हमको सेम करना चाहिए? Said the cow. इन उनके डिस्कशन में काऊ ने बोला क्या हमें भी सेम ही करना चाहिए? We should also attack him. अगर हम सब एक साथ मिलकर उसको अटैक करेंगे, then it will be he'll failure only. अगर हम सब एक साथ मिलकर उसको मारने जाएंगे, so definitely he'll fail. वो हार ही जाएगा हमसे. So shall we do that? क्या हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए? So was the cow thinking right? क्या cow right सोच रही थी? No. If one person hates you, so it doesn't mean you should also hate him. Try to love him so that he can also love you. हमको उससे प्यार से ही बात करना चाहिए जिससे कि वो भी हमसे रिटर्न में प्यार से बात करे. Over here in our story, cow said we should also attack him together and we can teach him a lesson. अब हमें उसको क्या सिखाना चाहिए? एक सबक सिखाने का टाइम अब आ गया है. Why? Because now we are getting troubled. अब हम परेशान हो रहे हैं just because of a boy whose name was Tom. जो टॉम बॉय था उसकी वजह से अब हम क्या हो रहे हैं? We are getting troubled. हम बहुत ज्यादा परेशान हो रहे हैं. Now we should have to find a solution for that. So what cow said? Together we should come and attack on him. अब हम सब साथ में मिलके उसके ऊपर क्या करते हैं? अटैक कर देते हैं. Then what the sheep said? One small sheep was there. What he said? He said, if we are going to do the same that Tom was doing, then there will be the hatred between us. उसने क्या बोला sheep ने? जैसा टॉम कर रहा है अगर वैसा हम भी करेंगे तो हम दोनों के बीच में क्या हो जाएगा? हेट्रेट विल बी मेंटेन. हेट्रेट मतलब एक दूसरे से नफरत करने लगेंगे. टॉम वाज डूइंग, अगर एनिमल्स भी सेम ही करते तो क्या होता? दोनों के बीच में और हेट्रेट स्टार्ट हो जाता. हु सेड? शीप सेड that. And hatred is a cruel thing. Hatred जो है वो बहुत गुस्से वाली thing है, and that is not good for us. तो हमको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. Immediately a small calf moved from there. तुरंत ही वहां पे एक काऊ का स्मॉल बेबी वहां से निकला. एंड व्हाट ही सेड, उसने भी सेम ही बोला कि टू ऑल द एनिमल्स ही सेड कि व्हाट एवर शीप इज सेइंग दैट इज राइट. व्हाट ही सेड, व्हाट एवर शीप इज सेइंग दैट इज राइट. व्हाई इट इज राइट? बिकॉज हेट्रेड गिव्स हेट्रेड टू यू. हेट्रेड जो है वो हमको हमेशा रिटर्न में क्या देती है? इट विल ब्रिंग्स हेट्रेड ओनली. इट वुड बेटर टू बी टीच अ लेसन ऑफ लव. काल्फ ने क्या डिसीजन दिया कि हमको ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए कि उसका हेट्रेड जो है वो किसमें चेंज हो जाए? लव में चेंज हो जाए. दैट काइंड ऑफ लेसन वी शुड टीच देम. व्हाट काउ सेड? काउ सेड दैट वी शुड टीच हिम अ लेसन व्हाइल अटैकिंग हिम. अटैक मतलब एक साथ उसके ऊपर हमला कर देने का. किसके ऊपर? टॉम के ऊपर. But what the sheep said? Sheep said, no, if you are going to do like that, so he will not like us. वो तो और हमको पसंद करना कम कर देगा. Again he will going to do the same thing. He will shout on us. He will throw stones on us. He will going to beat us from the stick. So I think we should not do all these things with Tom. हमको ये सब करना नहीं चाहिए. Then the calf, they all were discussing. वो सब एक दूसरे से बात ही कर रहे थे. Then immediately calf moved. तुरंत ही वहां से काऊ का बच्चा निकला और उसने क्या बोला? That sheep is saying the right thing. शीप क्या बोल रहा है? वो राइट बोल रहा है. बिकॉज हेट्रेड ब्रिंग्स द हेट्रेड. अगर हम किसी से नफरत करते हैं, उसको पसंद नहीं करते, तो वो भी हमें सामने से पसंद नहीं करेगा. सो इफ वी आर गोइंग टू डू द हेट्रेड, टॉम विल ऑल्सो हेट अस. ही इज ऑलरेडी हेटिंग अस. वो तो वैसे ही हमको पसंद नहीं करता है. सो व्हाट वी शुड डू? वी शुड टीच हिम अ लेसन ऑफ लव. हमको उसको कैसा लेसन सिखाना चाहिए? लव का. सो दैट ही शुड नो हाउ टू लव us. उसको पता चले कि वो हमको लव कैसे करे. Now the first session of our lesson completed over here. The calf moved softly and said, Miss Sheep. What he said? Miss Sheep is wise. Wise मतलब clever. होशियार है वो. That's why sheep is giving us this advice. Here first session gets over. So what did we learn from first session? That if someone is hating us, अगर हमसे कोई hate करता है, so in return we should not hate him or her. अगर हमसे कोई hatred कर रहा है, तो हमको रिटर्न में क्या कर देना चाहिए? hatred नहीं करना चाहिए. But it doesn't like that. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि we are standing और कोई हमको hit कर रहा है तो हमको दूसरा चीक अपना आगे कर देना है. No, we should stop him. क्या करना चाहिए? रोकना चाहिए. And find the solution. एक उसमें से solution ढूंढना चाहिए कि क्या problem है, what is going on, so that fight could stop. Fight उसमें रुक जाए. Over here in a lesson also, what the animals used to do? Few animals were thinking to teach the lesson of hatred. Few animals were thinking कि उसको सिखाना चाहिए लड़ाई से ही, कि हम उसको मारे और वो ठीक हो जाए. But the good sheep as well as the calf, sheep and calf was good. So what they said कि no, we should teach him a lesson of love. हमको उसको लव का लेसन सिखाना चाहिए कि हम दो एक दूसरे के साथ प्यार से रह सके. So was the sheep and calf right? Yes, they both were right. Rather to fight, we should find a solution of calmness. लड़ाई से अच्छा शांति से कोई solution निकल जाता हो, so we should do that. Okay, now what we are going to do? We are going to write few of the hard words and go through that together. So let's get started. So first one is the spelling of beautiful. H-A-R-D. Hard. W-O-R-D-S. Hard words. Number one is the spelling of beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Why we are writing these words? Because you have to go through all these words and learn them thoroughly. Thoroughly मतलब बहुत अच्छे से learn करना है. You can read from your textbook also. I am writing over here, but what you can do? You can go through from your textbooks and get revised. Now number two is bond. B-O-N-D. What do you mean by beautiful and what do you mean by bond? Beautiful means sundar, very nice. बॉन्ड मीन्स बॉन्डिंग बिटवीन टू पर्सन और मोर देन टू पर्सन साथ में कैसे बिहेव करते हैं, कैसे रहते हैं, दैट इज देयर बॉन्डिंग। और मोर देन टू पीपल और एनिमल लिव्स टुगेदर एंड दैट इज देयर bonding. Bonding between the animals is also very good. So many animals used to live in the jungle and the forest. Jungle और forest में बहुत सारे animals रहते हैं, but few animals have very good bonding between them. उसमें काफी animals ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनका एक दूसरे के साथ bonding बहुत अच्छा होता है. Why? Because from lots so many years ago they all used to live together only. वो बहुत सारे सालों से एक साथ ही रहते हैं. As we have learned in our last lesson, हमने अपना लेसन जो पहले पढ़ा था, इट वॉज ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. उसमें फ्रेंड्स में क्या था, गुड नेबर्स वाला जो हमारा लेसन था. नितिन एंड राहुल वर टू फ्रेंड्स, तो उनके बीच का बॉन्डिंग कितना अच्छा था, दैट दे वर शेयरिंग देयर फीलिंग. सेम इज द बॉन्ड बिटवीन द एनिमल्स एज वेल एज द ह्यूमन बीइंग. चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन. व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द बॉय? टॉम. And where he used to live? He used to live in a town. Town. Then where he went? He went to his uncle's house. Uncles. Where he went? He went to his uncle's house. And what was his uncle having? He was having a big farm. What he was having? He was having a big farm. And who used to live? Which animals used to live? So many animals used to live over there. Animals. And what were there? They were the birds also living over there. BIRDS. What Tom used to do? Tom was surprised to see this so many animals living together. So we'll learn the spelling of surprise. SURPRISED. SURPRISED. Surprise. Who got surprised? Tom got surprised that he have seen that so many animals are living together. How they are living together? TOGETHER. Together means साथ में. As you used to live with your family together, जैसे आप अपने फैमिली के साथ साथ में रहते हैं, same the animals used to live as a family. वो animals भी कैसे रहते थे साथ में? Like a family. Now, what Tom was doing? Tom used to shout on the animals. What he used to do? Shout. SHOUTS. What Tom used to do? He used to shout on the animals. Then other thing what he was doing? Throw. THRO. Throw. What he used to throw? Stones. STONES. And why he was throwing stones? To make the animals frightened. उनको डराने के लिए. FRIGHTEN. To make the animal frightened. Animals को डरा देने के लिए. That's why he used to throw the stone on it. Why he was doing all these things? Because he disliked them. वो उनको पसंद नहीं करता था. So we are going to write the spelling of dislike. DISLIKE. He disliked them. Then what the animals used to think? Animals also doesn't like him. So what they used to say? How are troublesome boy? Troublesome means परेशान करने वाला. TROUBLE. Trouble. SOME. Troublesome means the person who is bothering you. You can say a troublesome boy. And what they used to say? He is hating us. So hatred is being maintained between both of us. So what we should do? We should also give him the hatred only in the return. हमको उसको return में भी क्या देना चाहिए? We should also give him hatred. So we are going to write the spelling of hatred. HATRED. What we should do? We should also give them the hatred and the return. And what the animal decided? All the animal decided to attack together on Tom. क्या डिसाइड करा था कि हम सबको मिलके किस पे अटैक करना चाहिए? टॉम पे. ATTACK. Okay, what they all decided that all together we should attack on Tom. हम सबको एक साथ होके किस पे अटैक करना चाहिए? We should attack Tom. Who said this? Cow. Who said this? Cow. Then what sheep said? Sheep said no. We should not do this. हमको ऐसा करना नहीं चाहिए. Then again what the calf said? Calf ने क्या बोला? That sheep is very wise. कैसी है sheep? Wise है. How is sheep? Sheep is wise. So we should listen to sheep and we should not hate the Tom. हमको टॉम को हेट्रेड का नहीं, इन प्लेस ऑफ हेट्रेड वी शुड टीच टॉम अ लेसन ऑफ लव. हेट्रेड के बदले हमको उसको कौन सा लेसन टीच करना चाहिए? Lesson of love. So from the first session of our story, what we are learning that we should not hate the animals. अपने सेशन के लेसन के फर्स्ट सेशन से क्या सीखते हैं हम? कि हमको एनिमल से कभी भी हेट्रेड नहीं करना चाहिए. Why? Because what they want from us, they want just our love. उनको हमारा सिर्फ लव ही चाहिए होता है हमसे. Now what we are going to do? We are going to read all the hard words together and then you have to go through it from your own textbooks. Chalo, let's get started. Number one is beautiful. Number one is beautiful. 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 Number two, bond. Bond. Number two is bond. Bond. Then moving on to number three, tom. 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 Who was Tom? Tom was a small town boy. Moving on to next number is town. Town. What is town? Town is a small place below than the city. City से जो छोटा होता है, नीचे होता है, थोड़ा सा small होता है, that is known as the town. As we are living in Halwa, that is a small town, and Morbi is a city. Same. Now, where did Tom went? Tom went to his uncle's house in his holidays. कब गया था? In his uncle's house in his holidays. We forgot to write the spelling of holidays also. So, Holidays. We should not forget holidays. Holidays are the very nice thing that we used to enjoy. Holidays क्या होता है? बहुत ही अच्छी चीज होती है जिसको हम क्या करते हैं? We used to enjoy a lot. चलिए, moving on further is वो farm. What is farm? Where animals used to live. Animals as well as the birds. Farm. 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 Then number 7 is animals. Animals used to live in the farm only. Animals. 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 Moving on to next number. Number 8. Birds. 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 Then number 9 is surprise. Means a sudden feeling is called surprised. 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 Then number 10 is together. Together means few persons or two persons are together. एक साथ में रहना. That is called together. 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 Next is shouts. किसी पे चिल्लाना. Shouts. Shout. We should not shout at anyone. Number 12 is throw. Who was throwing and what he was throwing? Tom was throwing stones on the animals and the birds. Throw. Throw. Number 13 is stones. 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 Number 14, frightened. Frightened मतलब डर जाना. Who was frightening? The animals were frightening from Tom because Tom was shouting on them, throwing stones on them and hitting them. Frighten. 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 Moving on to number 15, it's dislike. That is dislike. Next is troublesome. Who was troublesome? Tom was troublesome boy because he was troubling the animals of the farm. Next is hatred. Next one is hatred means आप किसी से नफरत करते, you don't like that person, so you hate them. hatred, 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 hatred. Moving on to next number is attack. Attack मतलब किसी पे अचानक से जाके हमला कर देना. As in our earlier story we have learned that cat attacked the mouse. Cat ने जैसी केज से निकली थी, उसने क्या करा था, माउस को immediately पकड़ लिया. Next is number 19, COW, cow. COW, cow. Moving on to next number is WISE, wise. WISE, wise. Who was wise? Sheep was wise. And who said this? A small calf said this. Number 21 is holidays. Number 21 is holidays. Holidays means जब हमको छुट्टी होता है, that are called the holidays. 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 These are the 21 hard words that you have to go through. Again, I am telling what we have learned from the lesson, that we should not hate the animals because animals are also important. So we should not hate them. We should not harm them. If we find some animals, they are in the problem. So what we should do? We should go and help the animals so that they should also love us. If we are going to love us, then only they are going to love us. So what we should do? We should never hate the animals. हमको कभी भी animals से hatred maintain नहीं करना चाहिए because that will not be good. So you have to go through the whole of the story. The session part we have completed right now, that also you have to go through and go through word by word. What means word to word आप read करिएगा, then only you are going to understand the story. Just not कि ma'am have taught you तो हमने समझ लिया. No, you should open your book up and go through each and every sentence properly. Then only you are going to learn the whole of the story. Next session we are going to continue in our next class. Thank you.